Tito's Tacos is now $2.80 for one taco in Culver City. Let's see if we can find a cheaper alternative here in Belfort. Well, it's definitely not cheaper. It's $3.80 a taco, and it's carne asada, not beef. Let's check it out. Very good. Pretty good. Definitely would not call it Tito's. It's something totally different. It's not Tito's. It's a thinner shell, hard shell taco. Very, very thin feel, mouthful. It's carne asada inside, not shredded beef like a Tito's. So it's a totally different thing. I would say, if I were them, I would just call it what their own thing. It's definitely carne asada. It's a fattier carne asada. It's a light tortilla, but it's good. I would try it. Let's try these taquitos. These are chicken taquitos. Look at these bad boys. Guacamole is kind of weird. It's just chicken. Okay. Give the tacos an 8. Give the rolled taquitos maybe like a 4. There you go. Taco Sabroso. Belfort.